Let's start with the assertion reason questions. The question number 30 says assertion as correlation does not imply causation. Reason is that it measures the degree of relationship but not cause effect. So this in fact is the correct explanation, and the assertion and reason are both true. Uh, the next question is gradient descent uses learning rate of alpha by step size. Reason is it minimizes the cost in linear regression. So both are in fact true. And we say that the gradient descent uses the learning rate to determine the step size and applies this mechanism to minimize the cost of linear regression. The next question is, in fact, the A option is again true, because given that neural networks can approximate wide variety of functions and sufficient layers enables this universality. So question option number A is the best suited. In SQL, and join combines rows based on related columns. It handles data from multiple tables. So again, this is true, since join operation combines related rows and inherently supports the integrating data across multiple tables. So yes. Now moving on to section 5, we need to arrange the steps in order. The k-fold cross validation system uses the JKLM mechanism. So it divides the data into k folds. It will train on k minus 1, validate on 1, and then repeat k times, averaging the errors. So option A is definitely the right one. Arrange the gradient descent algorithm in the correct order. The gradient descent algorithm does this: computes gradient. It then chooses the learning rate. Then sorry, we start actually by selecting a learning rate. Then we compute the gradient. Then we update the parameters and repeat until convergence. So option A is the right one. Arrange the k-means step in correct order. So option number B is the right one, because at first we start with random initial assignments. Then we assign the closest centroids, and then we compute the new centroids that are the center of mass for all of the new data points, and iterate till there is no change between the assignment of our centroid and the calculated new centroid. According to MapReduce process, the correct order is, so the correct order is A, JKLM, where we start with the process of mapping the process data with the key value. Then we shuffle and sort. The reduce aggregate function is applied, and then the results are outputted. For 39, for 30, question number 38, we arrange the neural network training process in the correct order. So the correct order is A, JKLM. We start by forward propagation, then we compute the loss, and we back propagate. We use the gradient descent algorithm to train our model, and then we update the weights for each iteration. Question number 39. Arrange the PCA steps in the correct order. So for this one, again, the option number A is the right one. We first standardize the data, then we compute covariance matrices, and then find the eigenvectors to project the data. Arrange the Hadoop components in data flow in the correct order. Again, the option number 1 is correct. We start with HDFS storage, then there is the scheduling, the resource negotiation, then MapReduce parallel processing, and then we have the output right inside the HDFS. This concludes our third internal solutions. Thank you for watching.